Now can you see the screen? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
okay, got it. Please mute yourself and just listen to me. LinkedIn is a professional platform where corporates and students interact. So basically, it's a professional platform where corporates and students interact. Because if you see the recent scenario, most of the company who are hiring people is through LinkedIn. Please mind it. All of them are hiring through LinkedIn because the pedagogy has changed and now the company are not coming to the campus, but what they are doing, either they are using LinkedIn or their website or they are taking online interview. So this offline campus is a, what can I say? It's a bygone. So this thing won't happen. So you should be prepared to face online interview and how to interact with people during online interview. So in LinkedIn, first thing you need to create a profile photo. Now, this photo should be very much professional with a blur background. Please mind it. Don't post, please mute yourself. Don't post any photo which are very casual. Please post a photo which is very professional, either wearing a blazer or some formal dress. Okay. So this photo should be there because LinkedIn is nothing but your, what can you say, extended CV. The corporate will go through your LinkedIn and if they find you suitable, they will select you. So this will be your profile photo. Then comes your skills, hard skill, hard skills and soft skills. Now hard skills, your degree.
Sir.
Yes, yes. Ronit, is it Ronit?
Yes.
Yes, tell me. Yes, you have asked a question. Please tell me. I am just continuing with my class.
Sir, please present the presentation.
I am already presenting it. It is going on. It is going on. You please see, tap that thing that is Professor Pal is presenting. Okay. Please let me continue with my class. And please mute yourself. Mute yourself. You mute yourself, Ronit. Otherwise I have to mute you. Okay. So your degrees. Degrees means academic and professional. Academic means the thing that you have obtained so far. So all of you are plus 2 level, have obtained the plus 2 certificate. So this is your academic. And professional means the various certification course that you have obtained, that Arya mentioned yesterday class, that yes, certification courses are very much important, and if it carries brand like Google and other things. So in another class I will show you some certification course where you can enrich your value. So basically hard skill means your academic and professional. Then come soft skills, communication, then come leadership, then come conflict management, then come negotiation. Basically, keep in mind that like LinkedIn is nothing but your personal branding. How you brand yourself. Can you tell me what does this word brand means? Anyone? Aslam, you tell me what does this word brand mean?
I don't know what is brand.
Arya, you tell me. Arya?
So
Mun
basically, brand can be a like a product which is manufactured by a particular company. For example, Puma or say Nike or say Adidas. So it's a company under a particular name. So
concept is partially correct. Let me just explain. Brand does not mean only it should be related to product. It can be service also. Suppose you are going to good college like Stanford University, Harvard Business School. These have brands, okay? But these are intangible things because they are providing service and they are intangible, but they carry the brand. Similarly, say Arya, you have your brand. People who are acquainted with you, who knows you, they have certain convictions, they have certain perception about you, whether good or bad, that carries your brand. If you enhance your brand value, means if the you become trustworthy, people give more credence to you, more, what can I say, people be, you become more acceptable to you, to the people, to your peers group, your brand value will increase. So LinkedIn is nothing but the thing to create your brand value. You present your hard skill and soft skill in such a manner that you become acceptable to the company. Got it?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
yes, yes, Aslam, tell me.
It's Ronit. It's Ronit.
Yes, Ronnie, tell me.
sir, what is LinkedIn?
LinkedIn is a profile I have already mentioned. I will explain you. Please listen to me till the end of the class and then ask question. Okay? Without understanding, you are asking question. You are disturbing the class. I have already mentioned it's a professional profile where people can interact. You haven't seen that thing. Please listen to me till the end of the class and then you just ask question. Okay? Please mute yourself.
Okay.
Please mute yourself, all of you. Please mute yourself. Otherwise, I have to mute you, or I have to just, I have to that. What can I say? I have to, I have to that. I have to take that person out of the class. Please keep in mind, maintain discipline in the class. Just a minute. So this is my LinkedIn account. Can you see the screen? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so each feature I will explain. So listen to me till the end of the class. If you have any question, jot it down and ask me at the end of the class. First, this is the basic thing, and this is my profile picture. Actually, I do not say, what can I say, give more attention to LinkedIn because I have reached the fag end of my career. I have nothing to achieve. So basically, it's a basic thing, but I need to improve on to make it more attractive. So basically, this is the thing, the home page. Now, if you want to search for jobs, click this jobs button. Then say I give any company name, say Cape. So here if you give the company name, you can get the job posting they have made throughout the year. So you can see the job posting that Capgemini has made. HR administration, mainly they are seeking HR administration people. 7 years experience, HR admin 1 to 3 years, 1 to 3 years, everything. So let us give another example. Say KPMG. So 20 hours ago, there was a posting. They are asking for executive. Executive, and where is the position? On site, Greater Kolkata area. Greater Kolkata area. And similarly, senior position 1 month ago, KPMG 1 month ago. Assistant manager. So basically, after giving the company name, you can see the job posting they have made throughout the year, or say more than 1 year. Okay, so you have to see and say, basically you can see this is the executive position, all details are there, and you need to simply click the apply button. Okay, apply button, and you need to follow the step, and you applied, you successfully applied. Got it? Up to this, tell me if there is any question.
No, sir.
Then comes my network. So you can see I have 1724 people, 24 people connected with me. And just now I accept this person, assistant professor of 2 big university. Okay, they become my connection, and now my connection increased to 1726. Okay,
Sir,
so
sir, can I speak with those person who in LinkedIn?
no, you cannot speak. You can message. I am coming to it. Let me finish. I am coming to it. I will
Oh,
show you everything. Okay. Now, here you can see Dr. Ashok is now a connection. So what you can do? You can message him. You can send a message, and you can say ask for any favor. But one thing you should keep in mind, before asking any favor, you should build a rapport with that person. You just greet him, say on occasion, on his birthday, on his work anniversary. You also greet him during some occasion, so that there is a kind of personal touch. As I have told you, that in kind of meta communication there should be a personal touch. Unless and until there is a personal touch, what can I say, people don't people won't, what can I say, bother about you, won't accept you. Okay. So this is,
Okay, sir.
oh, this is my network. Then comes, let me see. And this is the messaging section. As he has congrats me, Dr. Birendranath Singh, on my work anniversary at IBMR. I have completed 16 years here. Okay. So basically, this is the messaging tool. Just you can message the person, and this is the notification where you will receive notification. You can see that congrats Dr. Rinki Mishra and other for starting new position. Dr. Sanjeev Kumar, a happy birthday. Say, let him wish a happy birthday. Happy birthday, I will write. Happy birthday, sir. Just send. The message has been sent to him. Okay. So, this is the basic platform where you can enrich your, what can I say, networking skill. Then comes, just a minute. Say again, you can see who viewed the profile. 97 people viewed my profile, viewed my post, 177 people. So you need to update it regularly. You can upload here photo, you can upload here video, you can upload any event, or you can write any article. Now whenever I am saying video, say you make some creative video, say on education content, and you can upload that video. Similarly, you can write some article, some thought provoking article, and you can post that article. So the more you interact with LinkedIn, the more your profile become enriched. Okay. Say let us start with these jobs again. In job section, you will have various things. My jobs, job alert. If you create a job alert, every time if there is a vacancy in that company, the company will send job alert to you. Your salary, your skill assessment, interview preparation, everything is there. Resume builder, everything is there. Basically, I don't use this thing because again, I told you I have reached the fag end of my career, so I don't need all this thing. So basically, this thing will help you. Say, give another example. Say PwC. Say advisory, brand, and marketing document production senior associate, remote Kolkata. So you can see 12 connection work here. My 12 connection work here. So if I click here, these are the people: Meenakshi Jain, Priya Maheshwari, Priyam Agarwal. So I can message them and I can request them for a recommendation. In LinkedIn, you can ask them for a recommendation or for a referral. And the thing is that if the person recommend you and the company hire you, that person will get a certain percentage from LinkedIn because they have find a good talent, a prospective talent. So the company will, the LinkedIn company will give a percentage to that people. and always try it for free. Don't go for the premium version. Don't go for the premium version. Here you have all the things. Say if I view my profile, you can see this is the keyword. Actually, I need to improve upon, I need to work upon. But I created this profile, say 7 years back, so I was not computer savvy at that time, and I don't have the time to work on it. So basically, photo is there, and there should be some background photo which I will create. I will create with my our college logo, and you can see assistant professor at IBMR. You can see analytics 97 profile, view my thing, view my profile, 177 post views, 19 search appearance. About, you have to write what you are about, and this will be the keyword. You can see 1723 followers, experience 16 years 2 months in IBMR. Education, you can see MBA from IBMR, Chartered Accountancy Inter from Institute of Chartered Accountancy, South City College. My MCOM degree is not showing here anyway. You can see influencers, Satya Nadella, Bill Gates, interest, these are my interests. See all 10 skills. Lecturing, curriculum development, education, higher education, Microsoft Excel, industry knowledge. So these are my basic skills. I can add more skills. Then comes industry knowledge. It is not there. Interpersonal skills. Learning and educational leadership. So this is all about your LinkedIn, because here in more section is there. You can share your profile through a message. You can also build a resume. So various things are there. So you have to just go through YouTube and you will learn the thing. So this is all about your LinkedIn thing. Any question, any doubt? So you ask me if you have any doubt, and so that I can move to the you can continue with the topic, that is how to make a good resume.
Sir, can I download this app in my mobile?
Yes, yes, you can download it. That portion I'm coming. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Up to this, any question?
No, sir.
Okay. So let me log out. Now this is, if you give this linkedin.com/home, this page will come, or you can download the app from Google Play Store. So what you have to do, you need to join now. Join now, click join now. You need to enter your email and phone number. You need to enter a password. Then you have to follow the step and you will be a registered member of LinkedIn. And you can do one thing after joining LinkedIn, you can send me a request for connection so that you can connect with me, so you can see my mutual connections, and you can, what can I say, if required, you can just text them. Okay. That thing I can help. In this way I can help you.
Okay, sir.
So this is all about your LinkedIn. Now we'll make a kind of quiz and we'll discuss the thing what we have learned in my two classes, last class and this class. Okay, let us start with Shambharu. Shambharu, you tell me, suppose if I give you a task to make a CV, how to approach? Shambharu.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Just think, don't be in a haste. I have given you a task to make a CV, a quality CV. How would you proceed? What point you need to include and what is your idea? What is your takeaway? Because I have covered all the points. So what is your takeaway on this? Yes, Shambharu, take your time. Because see, as I have told you that I have reached the second of my career, so I don't need to improve on. You people need to improve on and you people should be looking for job. So it is upon you, the onus should be on you to say on your skills so that you can get good job. Because I am not going to make any CV for you. So you people have to make a CV for you people. So how would you proceed if I have given you the task to make a CV? Please tell me. Shambharu.
Yes, I am telling you.
Yes.
So firstly, CV must be in one page only,
Good.
and after that, yes, sir. And after that, we have to mention all our academic college. If I am acquired in college in gold medalist, or if I have done in
And
college.
say, suppose, just let me interrupt you. You are saying that board medal is blah blah blah, this thing, personality, achievement. So how this information will come in the CV? That you tell me. In which order? In which order the information will come? Please tell me, Shambharu.
Order.
Sir, in brain marking.
I am coming to it. I am coming to you. Let us first have a discussion with Shambharu. After that, I will come to everyone. Yes, Shambharu.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we will make a heading.
Yes. Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
After that,
Yes.
after that, we will make columns of education from which, if I have got good marks, then only we will mention that, and from which college or which institution we have passed. After that, our academic achievements, such as if I have got any award in any academic in school life or any, then we will mention it. And lastly, if in any sports, in sports, if I have done any achievement, then it we will mention that.
Okay, I have understood you. Now next come to Aslam. Aslam, you tell me.
Yes, sir. At first, I take a A4 page and make a plan to use the information which can take place within the page. First, I give my name with proper spelling. Then I can mention age and gender. Then I can give uh, educational information like I passed my 12 from a school from Malab Kalyan Awasing Mission. The marks of HS 86, rank 7 and year 2019. Then I information about my Madhyamik schools marks, rank, year. Then I come to the academic achievement. In academic achievement, I can say that I am the topper in Bengali from Kalyan Awasing Mission, and then I can say that I have experience in to organize the class because in my mission there was a discipline to every person in a day they can organize a class. This type of experience, and after that academic achievement they can give me the honor of topper in Bengali from the mission. And then I come to the work experience and internship. I can give an internship in Alamin Quest Academy as a assistant director, and after that I can give information about the mention of account and other hostels, and I have a experience in doing internship under an MBBS doctor for 6 months. After that, the position and responsibility, I can work in the Alamin West Academy as an assistant director, and I have a responsibility to organize class, organize meeting, organize the food safety of the student, taking money from the fees from the student. This is my responsibility. Extra curriculum, I can give lecture on educational counseling. I can do career counseling. I can do first aid treatment. I can do the mental motivation or student motivation. And my after that I can give hobbies or aims. My hobbies is to listen and reading the thriller story or horror story where I can learn how to control the uh, uh, problem which is held for thief or other security uh, problem. So I can mention this type of information, and I can say that it all are true. And if it is, I can unable to prove this information, they can take charge against me.
Okay, I have understood your point, Aslam. Thank you for your views. Now, let me just, what can I say? Let me summarize the thing that we have learned. And the thing, some points are quite true and some points are not, what can I say, relevant. So let me summarize the thing. First point, number, please mute yourself. First point, it should be one page CV. Always remember it should be one page CV, and there should be your photograph. With the photograph should be signed, and there should be a signature on the CV, and there should be a declaration that all the facts are true. I have declared the facts which are given by me are true. This thing is mandatory. Then comes the heading. First, your name will be there. Name, that is your personal information, name, email, contact, and this should be in a kind of bold manner, in bold font, so that the people can see. And after that comes the headline, heading. Heading means the key thing that you need to highlight. Please mind it, the key thing that you need to highlight, depending on the situation. But what thing you need to highlight, that should be kept into consideration. Because say you are appearing for a KPMG job interview. In that case, the skills that is relevant to that job, the skills that is relevant to that job should be highlighted. Say, as you have mentioned that you have acted as an assistant director, you have led a team, and you have participated in various activities, that will do. But other skills are not relevant. So you need to focus on that skill. Say, as a you are acted as a, still acting as a senior position in a corporate, and you have done internship. So these points should be mentioned, not other points. And please keep in mind that it should be restricted to 3 to maximum 4 points. Maximum 4 skills that you should need to mention, by which the company see that okay, these are the points and these points are, what kind of say, relevant to me, so I will hire that person. Because if first impression is because first impression is the best impression, and if the person find In the first impression that you are not suitable, they will throw your CV in the bin. Okay, so these things should be kept in mind. Then comes your education qualification, and as I have mentioned, if your percentage is good, highlight that percentage. Otherwise, don't need to reveal it. Then comes your professional qualification if you are a member of any bodies, or say if you have done internship. Mind it, internship is a mandatory, internship is a, what can I say, for a management course internship is a must. In my next class I will show you some internship, some portal where you can do the internship. It is not that you have to do internship in say hospital, because see, management is a holistic approach. In BHM everything is there, marketing, finance, everything is there. So if your degree is backed by some internship, it will create an added advantage, it will be an add-on to your CV. So basically internship should be there, and lastly comes your extracurricular activity. And mind it, whatever point you have written on in that CV, it should be true. Don't use any false information, because otherwise you will be caught in your own trap. You will be shown the door. Okay, so basically, and please
Yes, sir.
simple language, use simple language, and whenever you are describing yourself, use adjective. Use adjective like industrious, assiduous. Then you can say team leader. You can say go-getter, going along with people. These are the keyword. If you use keyword in Google, you can see this keyword. So if you use this keyword, your CV will automatically be accepted. You have to be ahead of from your competitor, isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
you need to devise your CV in such a manner that you become acceptable to the corporate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Arya, you want to add something? Arya? Arya, do you want to add something apart from what I have said? Arya, are we connected or not? Arya?
Sir, I think Arya is not here.
Okay. Munmun, you need to add something?
Sir, I think I write, I make a declaration last. What I think,
Yes.
what I
That's a,
what's in my
that
CV. I think this is necessary.
yes, that I've already mentioned, that declaration should be there at the end of the CV. That whatever facts you have mentioned, it should be true. That you have declared that these are true. Okay.
Okay. And lastly, I signed my CV and what place
Yes,
I
yes.
came from and this
Place
I
and
mentioned.
signature should be there. Okay, okay,
Uh,
okay.
So
Then
what about writing? Not just writing hobbies based on what you love, but what is sometimes relevant to the company. For example, if you're working in a company, in a like a journalist company, a company which involves journalism, so you should go for writing that. Okay, my hobby is suppose writing blogs,
yes.
so that would in turn help them, for the company.
Yes,
It would be beneficial for the
yes. I
company.
100% agree with you. Mention
Yeah.
those hobby which are relevant. Please don't say that I am a I'm a great fan of Shah Rukh Khan or Amir Khan. It won't help you. You need to mention those hobby which are relevant. Please don't those hobby which are relevant. So as Arya has mentioned, say suppose you are applying for a journalist post, you need to mention that you have been a content writer, and you are posting blogs regular on various websites. So this will help you. Okay.
Sir, the
sir,
hobby.
Hobbies means which are relevant to your job. Say suppose you are
Uh,
applying for a say corporate. Say you can write reading management
mm,
books, reading management book,
mm,
reading management movies, watching management movies, watching management movies. There are various types of movies available like management, like Wall Street. Then I can remember the thing, but there are various movies. One movie was quite famous, Wall Street. You watch that movie, and in Hindi there is a good movie called Rocket Singh, Salesman of the Year. These are all related to corporates, and there was a movie called Corporate. Okay, so you need to see those movies and which are relevant. to your, what can I say, relevant to your field, which will help you. So if the interviewer say go through this thing, so they will understand that you have an interest in what can I say, in management, in say in taking responsibility in leading to lead a group of people to be ahead of the of your batchmate or of your say team member. So this you should highlight this point. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, hobby can be different from the depend on job.
Depend on job,
I
because
think
and every CV should be tailor made. Every CV should be tailor made, means specific to the
yes.
job. Don't write one CV. You make a master CV and make tailor made CV for each position you are applying for. Okay. From master CV you do the copy and paste. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, master CV, I think in a master CV the basic
In master CV, all information should be incorporated. All information should be incorporated, and whenever you are writing the tailor-made CV, you just copy and paste it to the tailor-made CV. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So that's all today, and in my next class, I will discuss with you some internship, some online portal where you can say do some internship and also earn some money. Okay, because this will help you in your job as you are management student.
Okay, sir.
So this will help you. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.
Okay, sir.
So
Thank
Okay,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.